appreciate.
Yeah, it's high.
That line.
It's a highly demanded.
It really is. It's the same thing at the Chicago Auto Show in February. So Dodge Charger Daytona, very retro, resurrected the Fratzonic emblem from the 1965.
It's because it's Challenger and Charger in one.
Yeah. So we call it the Dodge Charger Daytona. There's actually no more Challenger now. There's two trim levels: an RT, which is 496 horsepower, that has 308 miles of range. This Scat Pack is 670 horsepower.
Okay.
The 0 to 60 is 3.3 seconds. Dodge says it's faster than any Hellcat engine they produced.
Mm-hmm.
There will be a gas version of this available at some point early next year, both 2-door and 4-door, and then there will be a 4-door version of this electric one as well. So people have their options, you know.
Exactly.
But this is the point you've been waiting in line for, right up here. Okay.
Yeah.
And this is
Oh no, I don't want it. I don't want it too fast, but okay. Jesus, help me.
You really want to hold on to that camera, though, okay? Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Yeah, not that fun. It's dangerous.
I know. Mike, I got you. It handles amazing. You know, EVs tend to be heavier because of the batteries, and this is all-wheel drive, low center of gravity. It just seems to be impeccably balanced. It handles like a dream. It's just so fun to drive. The worst is over. And so all these drive modes have their own feel, but also their own sound. Sport's quieter, but you would hear the rumble as you accelerate. Auto mode, dead silent, like all these other EVs.
That's what I prefer. That's what I prefer.
Yeah.
Eco mode as well.
So you got that.
All right, thank you so much.
You survived.
All right, happy Easter as well.
Anyway, happy Easter. I hope you enjoyed it. And but these are, you know, these are muscle cars. These are supposed to be fishtailing and all that stuff.
All right. All right.